Bekuthiwa ndlela kuMofokeng kunye nentombi yakhe uThatho okube kuphela komntwana wakhe lo kaMofokeng uchazwe njengomsebenzi obeqaqambile nobenganikwa ngqalelo.
Sometimes what you love is what hurts you most. Comrade uJacqui loved this movement, but I must declare this movement also hurt Comrade uJacqui. We overlooked her, we undermined her, we looked far away when we didn't have to look straight at her. Her choice to leave our province to go to Cape Town was not an easy choice.
uMofokeng ebefunyaniswe lentsholongwane ye-COVID-19 kwaye ngolwesihlanu odlulileyo ebefanele ukubala usuku lakhe lokugqibela luvalelweni uchazwe njengetshantliziyo labasetyhini nabantwana kusapho lwakhe ebeyintsika.
It's a double take, her and her daughter at the same time, and we accept our fate that it's a COVID environment and we're part of those who mourn in our country for this carnage, which I hope will stop very soon. But beyond that, she was a brilliant human being. As you know, she was a snappy dresser. She had a bright mind. And all her life she's been fighting gender oppression.
Umzimba umntwana wakhe uza kutshiswa ngomso. uJacqui ushiya ngasemva umama wakhe, mntakwabo nodade wabo.